वॉक तेरी स्वीट स्वीट टॉक तेरा एटीट्यूड मस्त सोनिए मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख खुल के तू आंखें सेक आजा लग जा गले तू सोनिए तेरे से जैसे गाल तू है माइंड ब्लोइंग माल आजा नच ले सोनी नच ले मेरे नाल ले नच ले सोनी नच ले मेरे नाल ले
Well, it is pop our time, and with us is the team of Son of Sardar, and we are going to do a little bit of Bhangra. What do you say, Sonakshi?
Again?
I believe that Ajay doesn't do the Bhangra, which is so bad. Come on, let's go.
I guess I have no choice
You have
now.
to teach me now.
I will learn from you.
Oh,
teach
this
me
is-
your
chalo.
style. Come
Chalo,
on,
Veer ji,
go
laga
ahead.
do.
This is your style.
Okay, now you show me your style.
Okay, do this. I'm still looking at your style. This is
We're trying
your
it.
style.
We're trying it. Okay, guys.
Not bad, not
so,
bad.
well, we definitely are in the Son of Sardar mood. So, tell us, this has been a totally different journey for all you guys, right?
Yeah.
Ask the same question in Punjabi.
ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਹੀ ਅਨੋਖਾ ਜਰਨੀ ਆਏਗਾ I scored 10 points, right?
Yeah, you do. Anokha to nahi, very interesting, very, it was a lot of fun. How do you feel becoming a Sardar?
Superb. I mean, I've done this before, and every time I do this, there's a new energy that comes
The
with
confidence
it.
level is different.
Totally.
So that's what Sardars are, larger than life, big-hearted, and that's what the film also says. It's a larger than life entertainment.
You have a very cool dialogue from there, na? Let's do the dialogue.
Which dialogue?
Dialogue to kar lo yaar.
अच्छा बताओ कौन
The
सा?
one about कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल नो मेरे
सवाल
कभी
सवाल
कभी
आता-
मेरे दिल में ये सवाल आता है कि दुनिया में अगर सरदार ना होते कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ये कभी कभी
Take three.
ओके टेक थ्री कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ये सवाल आता है कि दुनिया में अगर सरदार ना होते तो क्या होता सॉरी यार दुनिया बेकार बिना सन ऑफ सरदार
अरे शाबाश तालियां
आपने जी मुझे ऐसे घूरो नहीं मैं और काम घूरा हो जाऊंगा
But Sonakshi, how has it been for you? कभी कभी मेरे दिल में एक ख्याल होता कि अजय देवगन नहीं होता तो सन ऑफ सरदार में क्या होता
होता ही नहीं होता ही नहीं सरदार.
सुपर डॉटर ऑफ सरदार होता
But no, it's been fantastic. We've had such a good time, and that shows on screen, you know. And I've tried out so many new things in this film as an actor. I mean, I've done 2 action films, but I've actually done a lot of action in this film. So it's been a completely new and fantastic experience for me.
तेरी बहन दी तेरी माँ दी ये दुनिया को हमने सिखाई जिस कोलावरी दी की बारी तो बाद में आई गालियों के बिना यार कैसे दिखाते प्यार सॉरी यार दुनिया बेकार बिना सन ऑफ सरदार
Okay, and as far as the movie is concerned, this is a totally Punjabi movie. How Ashwini?
It's not a Punjabi movie. It's got a Punjabi flavor. हाँ, मतलब it's about Punjab.
Yeah.
But it's in Hindi, by the way.
No, that I'm sure of. But how has Ashwini ji managed to do this? I mean, it must be a fine mash at the end.
He's a Punjabi himself. He's a fabulous writer. He's got, the best part is when he writes humor. Also, there's a little bit of depth in his humor. So forget emotions and everything. That too always has depth. But his humor also he says something nice in that, which I really like about him.
हाँ जी आप पहले हाईवे पे ट्रक चलाते थे नहीं तो ट्रक के पीछे लिखी हुई शायरी कैसे बोल लेते हो बिना सन ऑफ सरदार
What was the thing that you like the most that you've learned from this film?
That I've learned from this film. I think I'm a Punjabi at heart. I think and walk and talk like a Punjabi girl. I love Punjabi food. I really appreciated the fact that this film got the chance for me to bring that out in my character. And so yeah, it just felt very natural and nice, while doing it.
आप बड़े गोरे हो मेरी माँ कहती थी मैं भी पहले बड़ा गोरा था लेकिन फिर मेरे को नजर लग गई और मैं धीरे धीरे कम गोरा हो गया
What was the biggest thing that you learned? Like thing on set kind
To
of
ride a bike.
Was that the two-wheeler
Yeah, the
bike or the one with the motor?
No,
Because
no,
we've
it
seen
was
you doing both.
It was a two-wheeler bike, the one where we've come, where I come in the promo when I'm riding, and then of course the cables are attached when I do the wheelie. But that was the most exciting part because it's something very, very new for me.
कुड़ियां तो होती पर पंजाब ने ना होती दुनिया के मुंडों की आत्मा सोनी कुड़ियों को रोती मिर्जे ना होते रांझे ना होते तो कौन करता कुड़ियों को प्यार
Son of Sardar, son of Sardar, son of Sardar.
Okay, and as far as the movie is concerned, it's action and it's comedy, and you've done a lot of that so far.
It's not just action and comedy. It's got a nice drama, and I would say eventually when you come out of the film, you start watching a comedy film, which converts into a beautiful drama and action, keeping the humor still intact, and you come out watching, you feel that you've seen a beautiful love story. So basically, it's a complete mixture of everything. It's like a Hindustani thali,
Okay, is it like an Achraj film,
which
is basically a Yash Raj film with an Ajay Devgan touch?
no, can't be.
Because
Na?
all of them, there's the sarson ka khet in it. There is the ladies dancing in it. There's the bhangra that happens in it. So all those elements.
I tell you very frankly, let me answer this. We have not seen Punjab better than we'll see in Son of Sardar because see, we have always seen.
See, Punjab is not only about
Sarson,
sarson ka
yeah,
khet.
or Patiala glass or lassi ka glass.
Right.
Punjab is attitude.
Right.
Punjabi,
The
being a Punjabi is an attitude.
Okay.
It's about Adhinas, as he says, larger than life, big heart, honest, hardworking, smile, making people laugh. This is what Son of Sardar is.
Okay, there's some things that Ajay always does in action in his films. One is, this time it's this. So can you show it to us? The whole, yeah.
Son of
Sardar.
Sardar.
Let's all do it.
And something like this. Okay, what?
What? Okay, let's say, Son of Sardar.
Son of Sardar.
Okay, let's go into Bhangra. I know.
Okay.
Laga do, Veerji, come on.
We'll do it your style then. It's one finger.
Okay.
One finger, not this.
That's very hard for me to do na, ye socho. Okay, let's do the one finger.
Yeah.
Come on. Okay. Okay, this movie is as much about the dialogue as it is about the action, as it is about the song.
Yes.
So, and this has got a whole different take on the music. So how did you go about that?
Why would you say different take?
Because it's much newer than a lot of other movies that have the Punjabi touch in it, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I think.
For instance, the Popo, I mean, something like that I've not heard before in this kind of a movie.
But that credit goes to Himesh and Salman.
Okay.
Because I think it was a song which Salman had suggested Himesh to make.
Right.
And then I asked Salman to give this song to us.
Okay.
So yeah, Pawpaw is something new and something different. And you know, kids have caught on. And when our choreographer gave us this moment, we all loved it. Because you know, I think the moments which kids can catch on and you can do while sitting also are the moments which catch
Oh,
on.
please, y'all only loved it because y'all hate dancing.
Just keep quiet.
No, but it's easy to
No, but we
do.
dance also.
And it's also popular.
Yeah, it's popular.
No, but that was a good decision.
तेरी कैट जैसी वॉक तेरी स्वीट स्वीट टॉक तेरा एटीट्यूड मस्त सोनिए मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख खुल के तू आंखें से के आजा लग जा गले तू सोनिए तेरे से जैसे गाल तू है माइंड ब्लोइंग वाला आजा नच ले सोनी नच ले सोनी नच ले मेरे नाल रे नच ले सोनी नच ले सोनी नच ले मेरे नाल पिंड दी कवारी है तू दौड़ती फरारी है तू रूप तेरा हट कुड़िए नैना तेरे हैं कटीले इसमें छुपे नशीले पटियाला शॉट कुड़िए तेरे काले काले बाल पूजा लगती है कमाल
It was certainly, but as far as this movie is concerned, it's been from day one, it's been a kind of child of controversy. And Ajay Devgan has always told me this, that, well, as far as my movie is concerned, it will always speak for itself.
Yes.
So, your movie is finally going to speak for itself, right? So why were you worried about whatever happened in between?
I'm not worried about anything.
Okay, so it's all honky dory.
Yeah, I mean, we've seen the film and we are very, very confident about the film, and I'm not worried about anything. Why do you think I'm here dancing with you?
Movies already
otherwise
speaking
you
about
would not
itself.
Yeah, you know, when you see a film, you realize, okay, this is working or not working. And when it's really not working, then you don't really get out and promote it. You have to do it because you have to do it, but you can make out from the attitude of the actor that, you know, he's a little this thing. But we've seen the film and we are very, very confident about the film. So we are out here and promoting the film, because the most important thing is before promotion, the audiences should like your promos, your songs, and there's a certain buzz which is created by the content of the film. And then you go out and remind the audience that, okay, our film is releasing now. Otherwise, nothing works.
Right, and the film is releasing, and you've been through a lot of Salman and Akshay Kumar and now Ajay Devgan. So what's the difference in the three of them acting with them while on set? They're all fun guys. They're all over the top at some level. So Ajay will not believe that.
They are very, very, they are very, very different personalities. You know, it was a pleasure working with all three of them, and you know, there's so much to learn from them because of their whole body of work, which is so vast. You know, and you just observe them and learn something new every day. So it was an absolute pleasure working with all of them.
And how was it for Ajay Devgan this time around? This is a little different movie. It's not the regular movie that you've been doing for some time now.
A little more effort because of the pagdi and things like this. We had to be a little careful because when you're making a film where you're playing a certain character from a community, you have to be careful. So apart from that, so the whole team was very careful. Like I would say, I don't know if I would say it on camera or no, but whenever I wore a pug, I didn't smoke.
Right.
And I am a smoker.
Right.
So it was very difficult for me to, you know, refrain myself from doing that.
Being a smoker, I'd say wear the pug permanently.